Hi guys, welcome back to the course, and in this video I will show you how you can set up your local host to send emails so that you can send the activation email to the users. So first of all, let's go ahead to XAMPP folder. I will show you inside XAMPP. You will go to this PHP folder and find the php.ini file, and it should be here. It is, and open it with brackets, and in this file go to line number 1142, and as you can see this line is commented, so just remove the semicolon from the front of this line and it will be uncommented. And similarly go to line 1145 and add a semicolon to comment it, and save the file and close it. Now we will have to make changes to one other file which is in the XAMPP folder's root. We will go to send mail. We double click this send mail folder, and here this file sendmail.ini file, open this file with brackets, and on this file you can see that on line number 14 there is a variable called smtp server, and it is currently set to yourdomain.com, mail.yourdomain.com. and if you want to send, if you have a website, you can use the smtp server of your hosting company to send mails, but let's use Gmail for this course. So the smtp server of Gmail is smtp.gmail.com, and the port is 587. Now go to line number 46 and enter your Gmail username or Gmail email address. This is my Gmail email address, and in the auth password variable we will give it our Gmail password. So I am entering my password and save this file and close it. Now you just have to go and restart the XAMPP server. Now we have to test if our settings are working or not. So for that we have to create a test file. Save this file as send.php, and now we can use the mail function which is built in PHP. So, and we will pass some parameters to this function. The first one will be the email address to which we want to send the email. So I want to send the email to dannyqureshi@gmail.com, my email address. And the second parameter will be the mail subject, and third one will be message, and the last one will be a header. From header, and it will also be dannyqureshi@gmail.com. and now I should receive a message saying message, and the subject of that message will be mail subject. So let's open up send.php in the browser. Go to localhost and registration, and inside registration I have a file send.php. Press enter. Now you can see that I have just received a mail from me, which is the same email address, and the subject of the mail is mail subject and the message is simply message. So guys, that's how you can set up your local host to send emails. So in the next lecture we will actually start working on our email activation part. So we will activate the user's account using the email address. So stay tuned until next time. Goodbye.